This arrived today from Chanel. We got a sample of the Rouge. There's also a Le Lift lotion. It smooths, firms, and plumps. Then we have a nice sample size of the Sublimage Le Crème Lumière. We've got two brand new items here, a new palette and a brand new mascara. Really interesting concept here. Let's take a look at the mascara first. This is Noir Allure Mascara in Tint Noir. Some unique packaging for mascara. It looks almost like they're lipsticks where it pops out of the bottom, so let me show you. So now I'm curious to see what this looks like after you remove the lid. Looks like a plastic wand on this, which I actually like. I like the more bristly wands, but these are good as well. There's really good separation on these. So what's intriguing about this is it's a 4D mascara and it has a hint of red for depth. So I don't see any red off the bat, but it'll be really good to see, especially against brown eyes, because some brown eyes have a red element to them and it's really pretty. So we'll see if this shows up any differently on me or not. It says it's an innovative formula that transforms lashes for a 4-dimensional result: volume, length, curl, and definition. So I'm going to try this without curling my lashes. Each stroke immediately intensifies your look. The packaging features the iconic Chanel click mechanism, which we saw, turning mascara into an object of desire. Enriched with provitamin B5, Noir Allure Mascara helps fortify and protect lashes. For the first time, Chanel infuses a mascara with an imperceptible hint of red for added depth. I love mascara, and I've had a holy grail mascara for such a long time, so I'm really anxious to see how this performs. Then we have the palette here in number 58. That looks really beautiful. I like that gold tone in there. It's nice and warm. And then you have a lovely tone up there in the upper right-hand corner that looks like nothing I really have. So that looks really unique. And then the other two shades do look a little familiar. I'm gonna see if I can find things that might compare within my Chanel collection. But let's go ahead and swatch these. They look really pretty. Everything's swatched quite nicely, evenly. There's a little bit more shimmer in that gold color than I had expected. And then in the upper right-hand corner, that is a very nice, soft, satiny kind of glow there. And then we've got two mattes. So we'll see what kind of look I come up with, because that lower right-hand corner shade is not something I would typically put in my eye area, but we'll see how that looks. I do really like that lovely shade in the upper right-hand corner. But I also have some comparisons for you. I have almost all of the Chanel palettes, but I did pull the ones that reminded me of this one, at least the ones that looked a little bit close to it. And these are the ones that I think people might have questions about because it reminded them of another palette. So we'll swatch those as well. Our first comparison is between the new palette number 58 versus Blurry Mauve. So it did make me think of Blurry Mauve, but you can see the colors are not the same. It's much more muted here in Blurry Mauve, but I'll show you swatches. So we have here number 58 versus Blurry Mauve. Much more muted over here. Then we've got number 58 versus 382. For reference, this is the back of 382. So we've got 58 here, 382 here. These are not nearly the same. There's a lot more copper in here. And then this I thought might look like these shades, but this definitely has more lavender in it than these shades. And then this is 58 and 362. Here's the back of 362 for reference. So you can see it's a much warmer tone here, a little bit pinkier than this one. This one's got more of a lavender tone to it, cooler, except for, again, that coppery tone. I also received this, which is a brand new launch as well. This is our newest launch. Sheer Glow Rose Face Tint is a luminizing skincare makeup hybrid that gives a rosy, radiant, dewy glow while infusing skin with our favorite botanical anti-aging ingredients. Here's an insert for the new product. I wanted to create a product that always made you look fresh and healthy, actually packed with ingredients that moisturized, plumped, and soothed. A layer of this and you look rosy, fresh, radiant, just divine, dewy skin. Sylvie Chantecaille. How cute, it's in this little pouch. Thank you so much, Chantecaille, for sending this over. I love trying all of their products. I've tried most of their products, so always excited to try a new one. Beautiful packaging, and I'm anxious to try this because I saw on Instagram they posted on kind of how to strategically place this on the face. So I will be testing this out when I do the look with the palette. You can definitely see the color there. Really beautiful. So it'll be interesting to see how it is on my skin. It's not super cool toned though. That was one thing I was wondering when I saw it online, how cool toned it would be. It does look like it has a bit of warmth. I'm going to point this out because it's so subtle. So right there, it has the loveliest, subtle, natural glow, and I love it. So I'm anticipating this will not bring about texture for those of you concerned about texture. And it does have a nice skincare quality to it, but also the prettiest glow. So again, excited for this one. If you'd like to see these in action, make sure you are subscribed because that video is going up next. Please let me know any comparisons you'd like to see. I'll be happy to do that if I see your comment in time before I post the next video, because I will be doing this look next. But that is it for today's video, so please take care of each other, stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.